Hello everyone, welcome here. Getting started. Myself, Shekhar Metla, and I am the software industry expert from past 2 decades. I have worked with the different platforms of PHP, Java, ASP.NET, and Python environments along with the databases. Now, this course is specially designed for RESTful API services using PHP and MySQL. Welcome here. Use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos for complete program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to use of FAQs and practical exercises. Check with your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help, Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques you need to apply. Submit your questions on Ask QA forums for detailed what you have tried with screenshot of error code participated. How to approach the course? Best way to approach the course is review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with notebook extra information for practice. Review certain information by reading examples, the parts of video sessions where you need to stop and revise the video and go to the next step. Coding exercise and solutions. You will be assigned a simple coding exercise of a course journey to be test your skill level what you have tried, which is based on your previous lectures only. Anyhow, you will be guided the solution for the coding exercise. Thank you.